Hello, today I am going to show you how to cook beef trotter organic paye. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. I have taken one beef trotter. I have already cleaned it by rubbing the flour, and then I washed it. Now, I have placed it in a pot with enough of water for it to be simmer for 4 to 6 hours on low flame. You can add more water if it dries up during this time. In this, I am going to add a teaspoon of crushed garlic, 2 sticks of cinnamon and a few cloves. Also add salt to taste. I am waiting for the boil to come. As soon as the trotter starts boiling, I will reduce the heat, cover and let it simmer for 4 to 6 hours or until well done. Instead of this, you can also cook in the pressure cooker for about an hour. Now, as the trotter has been cooked for 6 hours, I am going to prepare the gravy. I have thinly sliced 3 onions, and I shall sauté them in oil till they turn golden brown. Now the onions are turning golden. I am going to remove the onions, and will grind them into a thick paste. Then in the same oil, I will add 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I will add the ground onion pastes, as well as the 3 tablespoons of yogurt and salt to taste. Fry for a few minutes. And then, add the trotter from the stock. And fry it till the oil comes on top, adding a little stock at a time. Now, add the whole stock in it and cook it on a low flame, until the consistency of your choice has been reached, as per your tastes. Some people like it thin, whilst others like the consistency as thick. House trotter is now ready. Dish it out. And sprinkle it with garam masala, ginger slices, and coriander leaves. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like, and subscribe to our channel, if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, bye bye.